In today's video, I'm going to share with you what is, without doubt, a truly passive income method. And I completely forgot about this until I logged in over here. And I saw in the last 7 days, I have managed to earn $45 from Amazon. Okay. Now, the method I'm going to be sharing with you today was actually a case study inside of the Not Taught at School University. So I'll show you this so you can see everything I'm saying to you is true. So inside of here, I have a training platform and a community. And inside of here, I share what I'm doing in my own online business. And then I bring in experts. We've got an interview series, a newsletter, and lots more. Now, every 4 to 6 weeks, we go ahead and do a case study. And you can see we've just finished this Clapper one here. So in these case studies, by the way, I go ahead and do these to share with people that, making money online isn't difficult. It just takes some time and effort. So this one over here took, how long did it take? 9 days. And then the following day, we also earn a sale on there. And then, so that's Clapper. That's the one we're doing at the minute. But the one we're talking about today is this one over here, which is YouTube and Amazon. Now, the cool thing about this method here is, okay, you can do this completely from scratch. You don't have to be on camera. You can even just use your phone for this. Can you see that? Hopefully, you can just use your phone. Now, again, inside of the university, we'll go through this whole process. Okay, day 1, day 14, keywords, etc., etc. And you can see here, using this method, it took 14 days to earn our first commission. And on day 16 was appearing on Google. Okay, so let's go over this method and how you can do this today yourself for free. Okay, so let's go over here to YouTube. Okay, now you can see what I'm on the channel. Yes, over here. So let me click on the home reviewer so you can see this, because I've not touched this channel in a long time. So the last video was 3 months ago. The one prior to that was 6 months ago, because that's when the case study finished. Okay. So on this channel, you can see we've got these different videos. Now, some of these, like this one here, you can see it is less than 2 minutes. This one's 4 minutes. This one's 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. This one here, 3 minutes. Perfect prep. How long was that one? 3 minutes. This one here, 4 minutes. And you'll notice, if you look at these, I'm not on camera at all. I'm holding my phone here to the side of me whilst I am talking about the product. And here's the cool thing, okay? You can literally just go around your house and find products and do a review of them and put them onto YouTube. Then what happens is, once you've got a few videos onto your YouTube channel, you can then go and partner with Amazon. This is known as the Amazon Influence, not the, I keep going to say it, it's not the Amazon Influence Program, it's the Amazon Affiliate Program. And that is known as the Amazon Associates. Okay, so to sign up to that, you just go onto your web browser and type in Amazon Associates. Okay, now depending on what country you're in, it will basically walk you through this process of how you can sign up to this, what you need to do, what you don't need to do. Okay, so look, but this is how it works. Look, recommend products and advertising fees. So step 1 is sign up. Look, join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning through the affiliate program. Number 2, recommend. Well, basically, look, the short version is you sign up. Once you've been accepted, you then get access to the whole of Amazon, and you can find any product on Amazon and get a link for it, and then start sharing this. And as you can see over here, you can earn up to 12% in commissions. Realistically, it's, well, on the bottom end, it's between 1 and 2%. And as you scale up, it goes up to 12. Realistically, most items you can get around the sort of 4% mark in, like the home and the garden and other bits. But let me see if I can show you this. So how does it work? How do I sign up? And it goes over the review thing. So I want to show you recommended products. Let's just click on here. Now I want to see, so you can see this. I want to go to Amazon Associates commission rate, so you can see here, because yeah, here we go, this is the one we're looking for. So remember on the page a minute ago over here, it said, oh no, it wasn't, it was on the other one, it said you can earn up to 12%. Well, if you actually break this down, come into here and go into each category, you can see a little bit more. So in the home category, so furniture, home improvement, home and kitchen, etc., it shows you realistically how much you can earn. So that category there is 7%, 8%. And then here's a cool thing, okay? Indirect qualifying purchases. That means if somebody clicks your link and then within a 24-hour time period buys something else, you can actually earn an additional 1% of any products that they buy. It's awesome, isn't it? So literally send someone over to Amazon. They might not even buy the products that you've reviewed in your, in your video, but if they're buying other products on Amazon, you will still earn an affiliate commission for sending them the traffic. It's pretty cool. So you can go down here and, like I say, you can go through and have a read of this and see the different rates on here. But yeah, what I'd say is, to do this method, get your phone, go around your house, review some products. It doesn't matter how boring you think that is. And even go out of your comfort zone, because in terms of this, I remember when I was doing this, you see, like this one here, this Bluetti EB55, review. This was a bit long. This was 9 minutes. This was like my first real one where I was reviewing a product where I didn't know too much about it, and I just felt like I was waffling, to be honest with you. But I did it, and I pushed myself to do this because it was part of the case study for the university. But once you've done a few, it just gets easier, and then you just get into a flow with this and a rhythm, and then yeah, you can just start uploading, and you'd be very surprised at what products you can review. Like this one here, this was an Xbox cushion for a gaming room. Just reviewed it. And then, like I said, this down here, like this Tommee Tippee Perfect Prep machine, guess what? This here, you can see after 3 years. This has been in our house since my daughter, well, it was my son's. And then when my daughter came along, we got this back out and used it again, okay? So you don't have to spend money with this method. You can just go around your house or even work or wherever and get products and review them. You can even do it at friends' houses and literally just review their products, okay? So that is literally step one. Start creating content, put it onto YouTube. You could even put it onto TikTok or Instagram Reels and these different platforms. Once you've started to get some authority on your channel, i.e. YouTube knows what your channel's about, they can start recommending it and sharing it for you, you can then apply to partner up with Amazon. And then once you've been accepted into the Amazon affiliate program or the Amazon Associates program, you can get your own link that you can then include in your YouTube description and also in the comments. So you can see here where it says find it here, and this is the link, okay? And if I scroll down here, you can also see I also comment down here and I pin it. Straightforward and simple. Now you might be wondering why it says this over here, this genius. Okay, now let me explain this to you. So let me show you how you get your Amazon link first of all. So if I come over here onto Amazon.com, okay? Now I'm just going to pick a product. It doesn't matter any product. So if I click on video game, I come up here and I get a link, okay? So if I want a link to this page here on Amazon, I would copy this link over here. If I wanted to go into a specific item, like this one, let me click on here. And then I can click on text up here again. And basically you get access to this tool once you've been accepted to the affiliate program. So you click on there and look, this is your link. So you could actually put that link there into your YouTube description box. But here's something what I do as well. So if you come back over here, you will notice it says Genius. If I come over here into Genius over here, what happens on this platform here, you can see about 1,200 clicks. In here, so if I go to affiliate on here, you can basically connect your different affiliate accounts from Amazon. So you can see I've got one for UK Amazon and also one for Amazon US. And how that works is if somebody clicks that link over on YouTube and I didn't have this set up, and let's just say someone in the US was watching that video and they clicked that link, but I didn't have a US Amazon associate account, it would literally send them over to the UK site. With this piece of software over here, which is, by the way, it's $5 a month for this one. With this one here, if someone in the US clicks it, it will send them over to Amazon.com and it will show them that product over in the US, and I will still earn an affiliate commission instead of losing that commission. So I hope that all makes sense for you. But let me give you a recap on this and I'll show you like how I structure my videos and other bits, because again, it's not difficult to do this. So once you have got a product, it can be any product at all. Let's just say you'd find, I don't know, let's just, what have I got on the desk here? This here, a US, what is this? A USB cable, okay? So I would just type into Google, I would type in USB cable, and then I would type in other things off this. So this one here, it's got the company name up here, this Inu, but I probably wouldn't type that, okay? So what I'm doing here is I just go on Google and type in what the product is that I'm thinking of reviewing. And then I look at other things, what people have asked about on YouTube or related keywords, so that basically I can go ahead and include that title, that keyword in my title for my YouTube video. So if I scroll down here, look, what are the 4 types of USB cards? What is a USB cable for? So none of those really. But all I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to get some idea for typing in my video title, because as you can see up here, 90,500 people a month are searching for a USB cable. So instead of me just going with, USB cable review, I would try and break it down a little bit more. So like looking at this one over here, this is a 4-meter one. So let me type in USB cable 4-meter. There we go. So 4-meter. And I'm just breaking it down. I'm just trying to take down the search volume down here to make it a little bit less competitive, and also, provide YouTube with the best information I can about the product that I am reviewing, and also the video that's going onto YouTube. So like that there, we can see no one is searching for USB-C cable 4-meter. So USB, let's get rid of that. Let's type in USB cable 4-meter. So we'll go with that one. And again, all I'm doing is I'm just playing around with it, just trying to get some ideas for my video title. And then once I have gone ahead and I've done this process and I've narrowed it down and I've got my video title, then I would take the keywords from here and I would go like this. I would copy this and I'd go to this website over here, which is called RapidTags.io, and I would come onto this website and I would put the title in from here of the video and I'd put it into Rapid Tags. And then that website here is going to give me all of the video tags for my actual video. And look, go over to my home reviewer YouTube channel and have a look at my titles and descriptions and stuff. I've not got anything to hide. You can see exactly how I do it. So that there is my title of the video as an example. All of these down here are all of my video tags. So I would copy those and I would put them into my YouTube description box and also in the tags at the bottom. And it's just a numbers game. It really is. It's just uploading these videos, making sure you've got your title optimized, make sure you're including your keyword in your YouTube description, putting in your video tags down here, and that is it. It really is not that difficult. It just takes a bit of time and effort. Now, obviously, if you're inside of the university, then you can go through and have a look at this case study down here, and literally you can see everything that we did inside of here. And then we've also got a huge section, by the way, on YouTube as well inside of the university, because it's a great method for making money online and from home. And if you set it up correctly, like we have done here, then you can be earning a passive income for weeks, months, and even years down the line. But that's today's video. That is one way you can make a passive income online using Amazon and YouTube. What do you think? So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, but I shall see you very soon.